guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and I am putting Christmas ornaments away. I gotta fix that. I got an Alex with me today, and I wanted to show you some vintage felt ornaments that my grandmother made. I don't know when. I'm 55, and I don't know that I ever experienced a Christmas without these being at my house or at her house. So take that for what it's worth. And I don't know if these are kits or not. I don't know anything about them. I should, but I don't. So, and they're all varying degrees of different. Like this little bear. He's holding his little bear. And she glued... these were glued in probably one stitch. The little pieces are glued on. Some of them got, I think that's wax on them. And I'm going to try to get it off. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I'm going to try. And I'm going to clean them up. So there's our bear. And then we have, where'd the other bear? Where'd the other one go? Oh, here it is. This little brown bear. Look at it. I need to fix his little shirts. So I'm going to glue that. That is embroidery. So cute. And then, you know, his little shirt. And again, I don't know if these were patterns or whatnot. Look at this kangaroo. And this little Joey. Now, these eyes she did sew on. This eye and his eye here. She glued this on. But it's all hand stitched around there. I mean, these are so cute. And then I'll show you some of the ones I've made. Since then. Oh, this one. I love this camel. He took a little beating though. A lot of his beads have fallen off and he got the wax too. These were all in one package and that got waxed some time ago. So we're gonna see what we can do. They just make me happy to see them. Mrs. Claus. There could be a Santa. I don't know. Some of my other siblings have these ornaments, have some from her as well. But she did such a good job. I love the little stocking that Mrs. Claus is holding in her little pocket. Did she stitch that on? Nope. She glued the pocket and she did stitch the face. But I love that. It's so cute. And then my personal, did I drop any over here? No. My personal favorite is this elephant that is 100% 3D. Look at his nose. And his blanket and his ears. Everything was stitched on this one, except for the belt thing. And I left his hanger on. He too got some wax on him. You know, years have passed since I paid attention, but I'm assuming these have had this for a while. Okay, and then some of the ornaments I've made. I made this one this year. It is a Pop-Tart. I just thought it was fun. I made this one last year. It's my absolute favorite of the ones I've made. It's a cat. I used a cookie cutter to trace the shape and put them on navy blue felt, just one-sided. And then I added beads. Oh, I love it. I know some people are embroidering. I do the beads. And then this one, I mean, it's got to be 20 years old. And it's just an ornament with sequins and seed beads holding the sequins on. And I did all that by hand. And then this is before I learned the blanket stitch. It was before the internet. How about that? Because I would have looked up how to do the blanket stitch. So I'm going to say this is probably from the early 90s before I had the internet. Yeah. But I've had these ornaments for 100 years, so. And then I made this one, also does not have a blanket stitch. And I think this was from the early 90s as well. And then in recent times, a couple years now, I made this sock. It is a sock. It is a real sock pattern. I just reduced it. So you have your heel flap, your turn, your gusset is in here. It is absolutely a 100% miniaturized version of a real sock. I made a stocking with it this year. And then I made the same thing with a mitten pattern. I just reduced that and took some, this is hand-dyed yarn from, I don't even know. I dyed this yarn. I know that. This was some yarn I dyed. I think this is from some little advent calendar that I got. And then I crocheted this year, or last year. And it's just 2 little crochet twirlies that you twist together. And hang it up. And I stitched it. And then in my pottery class, I made a few of these, but I think this one turned out the best. And it is a ceramic angel. And I was able to dip it in the clear glaze. And it just turned out really well. So I love it. So that is all the felt ornaments I have pulled out. I think I have more in there. I really need to go through everything and figure it all out, but I love this one. Let's make it our thumbnail. Perfect. All right. That's everything. Happy New Year. Bye.